It's gonna be an easy test drive in this 1995 Chevy 1500 pickup truck. 5.7, 350 under the hood. Cold AC, power steering, power brakes. Needs paint. Very nice interior. It's just a good old reliable truck. 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available. Just go to maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you here in just a moment. About that time. Let's go for a ride. The buzzer's killing me. We gotta shut the door. All right, place your bets. You think the horn works, we'll start this one up. Starts up good. Window rolls up great. That side's working pretty good. Interior on this thing is nice, especially for the model. 95, and it looks like this. I'm impressed. Radio. Your favorite song is still on the radio. Why is that always on the radio? I'm just impressed on how clean everything is. Look at that. It's clicking. Everything's got a good feel to it. Cold AC. Showing 207 on the miles. Definitely got to get some gas. I don't know why they're running it to E. They should have stopped and got me some gas. Great oil pressure. Well, what do you think? Does the horn work? I'm sure everything does. Kind of feel like it would. Good. Let's hit the road, see how roads it drives. I don't know, but I feel like putting you way back here is a good idea. Maybe. Anyways, we're meeting the wife for lunch today. Just something quick. So I got a few things I need to get done. And I like getting all these test drives done for you. And I try to get them done ahead of time if you've noticed here lately. Anything I see that's wrong with this, I'll point out. Let's hit the road. You can see, it's not pulling left or right. So they got the front end aligned nice. Tight steering. Speedo's working. All the gauges are working. Put her to the floor. Plenty of pep. Shifting good. Brakes. Brakes are smooth. I've had so many of this model growing up through high school and everything. Kind of brings me back. It's been a while since I've been in one of these. We're gonna stop right up here, get some food. Then I'm gonna go across the street, get a little bit of gas. Whoa, whoa. That was my fault. One day it'll stop. It should be off there. I don't know why it keeps going. Something weird with the windshield wipers? I think so. I'm gonna have to cut it off to get them to stop. Zoom up here real quick. Maybe something's iffy with the windshield wipers. I'm gonna say so. Look at them. And then they won't stop. What do you do there, guys? Let's try I don't know. Something's weird with the windshield wipers. At least I accidentally hit them because I forgot to try them in the intro there. And now we know about it. So that's good. Next, we're gonna get some gas, and I'll see you in a moment. All right, got $20 worth of gas. We'll check that gauge. I think the worst thing on these trucks is this buzzer. Gas gauge works. Let's hit the road. Got you in the window. Time to head on out. Got some gas. Got some undercarriage shots. She's running good. Alright, let's look at our vitals here. Going down the road, we almost 60 pounds of oil pressure, which is great. Engine temperature, it looks to be around 170, 180. We're charging. All the gauges are working. Speedometer is still turning over, so it's correct. It's just a good running and driving truck. Straight down the road. Motor smooth. No engine lights. It does have anti-lock ABS light on. Could be ABS sensor. I haven't had any brake issues. But I know sometimes these sensors will go wacko and you got to change them out to get the light off the dash. I don't hear any weird noises under the truck. I don't see this sitting on the lot very long at $7 grand. And somebody's gonna get it and probably put a nice paint job on it. Obviously, I would go back white. That's my favorite color. I think it looks great on all vehicles. Now you do got a little wear on your steering wheel. You can see the top of it there. Kind of missing some of its fabric, some of its leather. Bumping the road here. Suspension's not bad. Made it back to the lot. Be sure to hit subscribe, share, hit like. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. I'll see you in a moment. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and walk around this ride here. Anything I see, you'll know about it. Older paint job, probably original paint job from what it looks like. So it is chipped up. We're not going to look at every single chip, but we'll look for damage. As you can see, it's like just faded. So we're going to look for dents and rust. See the bed? It's not perfect. Tailgate. Paint's kind of coming off there, ain't it? Somebody scrubbed it too hard. They scrubbed all the paint off. Coming down this side, lower portion. Well, so far, solid vehicle here. Dings on your trim. Big old dent in the front. Over here as well on the bumper. Bow tie's got some issues there. Pitting. Midsection. I mean, so far it's not really got any damage. Is there a small dent here? Other than that front bumper, there's a wave here. I say that and I find some spots. It's usually how it goes. Back window, pretty clean. Side window's also looking good. Mirror's a little faded. Looking over the roof. Front window. Light scratch around that front window, around the edges. Let's check this side now. What's this? Some goop. I don't know what was put on there. Spot here. Over the top of the fender. Light little chips on the glass. It is like they scuffed all the paint off this thing. It's just gone. Pretty simple walk around though. Straightforward. Broken. It's not broken, it's just not hooked up. Doesn't look long enough, does it? Oh, it is. You don't even have a latch on this side. See? Got to shut it with that. I wouldn't put too much pressure on that tailgate. Might open on you. Interior. Now, the interior is quite clean on this one. We got some little burn spots there. Start it up. Spot on the dash. Around and under the door. Just solid. Sorry about the buzzer, but I gotta get behind the seat here so you can see. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, but man, interior is nice. We'll shut this door so you don't have to hear that. Spot the floor and the carpet. A little bit of fading there. Maybe a stain or two on the carpet. but the interior is actually great. Good oil pressure. Not a bad truck with cold AC, guys. Shut her down. Just needs some paint, really. Give her a good paint job. This is a nice truck. Hey, 100 detailed pictures available, maplemotors.com. Be sure to go there, check that out. Any other questions about this truck that you need answered, we can send you more videos. Just give me a call, 615-822-4444. And I do appreciate you watching us here at Maple Motors. Thanks again.